Hello everybody, and welcome to another video here on Matt's Park Days on YouTube. And I am staying at Fort Wilderness with a couple of friends, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me to show you the cabin. Looks great. Show you guys the cabin, show you guys some of the food I eat, show you guys the lobby. Just do a overall view of the resort. I've never stayed here before, so I am very excited to take you guys along with me on this journey. Me and my friends always have staycations on property, and so far we've done a few. We've done Wilderness Lodge, we've done Port Orleans French Quarter, but this is the first time that we've all decided to go to Fort Wilderness. The price was just right. We had a nice discount, so we said, why not? We paid a really good price, so I'm really happy that we're checking this resort out for the first time. I've never stepped foot in a cabin before, so let's give this a chance and let's go inside and show you guys the cabin. Like I say with all my videos, guys, if you like this kind of content, if you love resort tours, room tours, if you enjoy theme park content, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the Matt's Park Day family. I really appreciate all of you being here, and we're going to have a blast in this video. So let's go inside and check out the cabin. Before we check out the cabin on the inside, I wanted to give you guys a look at what we're looking like on the outside. As you see here, we are cabin 2660, and it is absolutely beautiful, guys. A nice little cabin right over here, and we have a bunch of neighbors, a bunch of friendly neighbors. It is a one-way path here, and they all kind of look the same. It kind of looks like a community to me. It just feels so welcoming, so warm, so wholesome. And I don't know, I love the idea of a cabin. It's such a cool escape from normal life, I feel. And it definitely is a change of pace from the other resorts I've stayed at. Alright guys, as we head inside, I got my trusty magic band here. You hear the click. And this is our cabin. Very nice. It just feels like, I don't know, like a Wilderness Lodge kind of vibe. We have the living room area. There's Emma. There's our friend Emma doing her homework. Over here we have a beautiful living space. We have a couch. I think that couch is a pull-out couch. Right, Emma? Yes. It's a pull-out. Okay, so that pulls out into a bed. And then we have a nice chair. I thought it was a rocking chair at first. It is not. To my disappointment, that is not a rocking chair. But the vibes in here are honestly immaculate. Like, I was telling my friends, like, these lamps remind me of Wilderness Lodge. I'm pretty sure they are from Wilderness Lodge, but they're really nice. Really nice sized TV. It just feels like home in here. We have a beautiful kitchen, but the living space is such a vibe. I feel like we could play board games here. We have a nice table. We could eat some food. I love the portrait back here of the railroad. It is the, what does it say? The Campground Railroad, Fort Wilderness. So, beautiful picture. I like it. It feels very at home, very warm, and very inviting. So yeah, as you can see on the left of the TV, we have some windows. We have our board games for game night. But I think it's a really nice view of the outside from the curtains out here. It's just, I don't know, like, when they say cabin, they mean it. Like, they are not, like, it is not just a themed room. We are legitimately in a cabin. But I will say, I'm very impressed by the kitchen. We have a really nice fridge here. It's a full-blown fridge. Most resorts just have coolers nowadays. But in this cabin, we actually have a fridge. As we see, we have some lemonade in there already, but a full-blown fridge. I am honestly very surprised to see that. I know a lot of people stay at Fort Wilderness longer than a week, so that makes sense. We have the microwave over here, which that is going to do us very good if we get some food later for some leftovers. We even have like a stove. Like, what? That's crazy. We have a stove. We have a nice island sink. We have a toaster. Wow. I am like really impressed. That's awesome. And then when we walk towards the bedroom, which honestly this is my favorite part, but before we do that, let's go into the bathroom. We have a really nice sink, some tissues, there's like some corner shelving. We have the mirror, which, hello everyone. Really nice little bathroom. I love the lampshades. We have the curtain, a nice shower. Honestly, everything that you want out of a bathroom. You can't really ask for much, and they give you everything that you need here. So the bathroom's a good vibe. I like it. like I said, gets the job done. And then we walk into the bedroom. This is where I am truly impressed. We have a nice bunk bed here, so a lot of people could sleep in this one cabin. We have the nice resort TV. I know you guys like the main TV, main menu for Disney television. We have the beautiful bunk beds right over here. We have a nice, I think this is a queen-sized bed. I could be wrong. But we have a nice portrait of Fort Wilderness again. Here on the left, we have some beautiful lamps. We have a nightstand. And then, like I said, I'm really impressed by these bunk beds. Such a smart idea for being in a cabin. It works room-wise.
The lowrider remix. Lowrider remix. Do we have turn signals on this thing? You know what it's gonna do.
This is crazy. This thing goes fast.
I'm not even going this speed. Look at that turkey. Look at that turkey. Look at that turkey. Look at that turkey.
Where's the turkey at?
I'm saying it to my mama. Look at those multiple turkeys. Mama, look at them turkeys. Look it.
There they are.
Look at these turkeys.
Hi, turkeys. All right, guys, we decided to get some snacks and some stuff for the room. So we are at the gift shop settlement trading post. And we are going to go inside and check out what's in there, check out some merch, and just get some items for the room. So let's see what's going on. I love this. We have some checkers. There it is. Guys, they have so much cute merchandise in here. Look at this Fort Wilderness sign. Going camping, home away from home. How cute! Okay, honestly, the merch here is amazing. Look at the Fort Wilderness ears. Wow, those are really nice. Alright guys, we are here at Chippendale's Campfire Sing-Along. And we are going to have a fun campfire time tonight. I'm looking forward to seeing what we do. I heard we got music. I heard Chippendale's going to be here, so let's go on and check it out. Alright guys, as we walk in, we have a bunch of seats. We have a stage for Chippendale. Alright, and we got the movie screen for our movie tonight. Oh, Chippendale's already out!
They were already out here. They'll be back out shortly.
Ah, this is nice.
Yes, thank you. Nobody knows that song, and nobody knows the Rumbly Tumbly song.
We gotta get the marshmallow nice and crisp.
Remember touching the ground gets me in the mood when I up down.
All right, I'm Half-Old Crowd. Going to be with you for a little while. We're going to be bringing out Chip and Dale in a few moments, and we're going to try to find out what they've been up to today. So sing along to some of these songs if you know them. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Everybody now. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Put your left hand in, come on and shake it all about. And do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out. Put your right hand in, come on, shake it all about. And do that hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Left foot now. Put your left foot in, put your left foot out. Put your left foot in, come on, shake it all about. And do that hokey pokey.
Alright guys, that was the campfire, the Chippendale Campfire show. We had s'mores, which was really nice. It is a beautiful night. I mean, I don't know if you guys could see, but it is an absolutely beautiful night here at Fort Wilderness. We had some s'mores. We watched Chippendale perform. We had a live singer, which was awesome. Now, me and my friends are just going to hang out and watch The Hunchback of Notre Dame, which is the movie under the stars tonight, and we're just gonna enjoy that together. So I'm gonna see you guys back at the room after the movie. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching another video here on YouTube on Matt's Park Days. We had such a good time at the cabin. Me and my friends had an absolute blast. We enjoyed the campfire with Chip and Dale. The room was absolutely beautiful. It was fantastic. Real home vibes. I don't know. I would definitely come back. All right, guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check back for more resort tours and resort staycations with me and my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek at the Fort Wilderness Cabins, and I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy, everyone.